Hi researchers, welcome back to my channel. You have finally chosen your research topic, you have written your research objectives, and then your supervisor asks you, what are your research questions? And then you are sitting there thinking, wait, what exactly am I supposed to write here? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you a very simple way to develop research question from your research objectives. In my previous video, we have talked about research objectives. And I told you, research objectives basically tell us what we want to achieve through our research. Now, research questions take those objectives one step further. They tell us what exactly we want to find out. And there is actually a very simple relationship. Let's understand this with an example. Let me take my own thesis as an example. My research topic was shifts in perception and practices of menstrual taboos among Hindu young women. One of my objectives was to explore young women's perception regarding menstrual taboos. Now, I simply ask myself, what do I want to know about their perceptions? And that becomes my research question. What are the perceptions of Hindu young women regarding menstrual taboos? That's it. I didn't have to invent a completely new question. I simply turned my objective into something I wanted to find an answer to. Now, let's forget my thesis for a moment and take a very simple example. Suppose your research topic is challenges faced by university students in online learning. Your objective could be to identify the major challenges faced by university students during online learning. So, your question becomes, what are the major challenges faced by university students during online learning? Suppose your another objective is to explore how students manage these challenges. Then your research question becomes, how do university students manage the challenges they face during online learning? See how simple is this? But there is something you need to be careful about. Don't write research question that is totally unrelated to your objectives. If you have three main objectives, your research questions should generally help you answer those three main objectives. Think of it this way. Your research problem tells you what the problem is. Your topic tells you what you are studying. Your objectives tell you what you want to achieve. And your research questions tell you what you want to find out. So, whenever you are confused about research question, don't sit there staring at a blank page. Take each objectives and ask yourself, what exactly do I want to know? Turn that answer into a question. That's your research question. So, remember this sequence. Research problem, research topic, research objectives, research questions. And don't worry if your first questions are not perfect. You can always refine them as you read more literature and understand your research better. In the next video, we will talk about something that every researcher has to deal with, literature review. If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to your researcher friends.